everyone. You must have heard lots of stories about wolves, but today I will tell you some interesting facts about wolves. Wolves howl to defend their territory. Wolves don't raise humans. Wolves stay with packs. A pack includes a mother wolf, a father wolf, and some cubs. The mother and father wolf take care of the cubs. Wolves can survive temperatures down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Wolves have 42 teeth. Wolves can eat up to 20 pounds of meat in one sitting. Wolves like to hunt down animals that are much bigger than them. Wolves are the largest member of the dog family. When one wolf dies, the entire pack is threatened and they break up. Wolves challenge each other for becoming the leader of the pack. Wolves work together to hunt down animals. The biggest threat of a wolf is human growth and loss of habitat. Wolves howl to communicate. The wolf's life expectancy is 16 years. Wolves can travel up to 12 miles or 20 kilometers in a single day. I hope you like my interesting facts about wolves. In my next video, I will tell you the story of Yusuf's wolf. Bye!